Well, once again, I don't have a helper. Thought I was gonna have a helper. Don't know answer the phone. They're wondering if I'm the guy feeding them today. The answer to that is no. Well, it's all right. You can see that joint right there anyways, that divot, that valley right there. That's where they taped that joint, so. All right, I got a little load of sheetrock from the kitchen out of the ceiling. I'm gonna go ahead and pretty substantial pile. I've already got it loaded up in the truck. I don't want to make a big deal out of it, just having a big old pile out here sitting around for a couple of days. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this, and I know there's gonna be some more, but I'd rather take 2 small loads than 1 big one right now, because I just don't want to be picking it up and moving it around more than once. All right, a little review of what happened in day 2. Came through here. Of course, yesterday I got half the kitchen done. Today I took the rest of the lights down over here. Hauled all that crap to the dump. Got a piece up right there around the vent. Then I got this corner started. Got to bring some insulation. Get that insulated up there and cap it off. Along with right here. And then this room would be ready to have the popcorn scraped off. And texture finish out the ceiling. And there's a 2-foot strip in that closet. So that's where we're at today. Not a whole lot done. I'll have the guys move all this furniture into this bigger room. We'll finish that out. Got one little spot over there to finish in there. What I want to do next week is I want to get this room ready for paint and then move all this furniture out into this room. All right, so finishing up today. It's Friday, the 27th of December. I'm hoping this house will be done. I'm thinking we could definitely do it, and hopefully be done by Groundhog Day. Before Groundhog Day is the goal. So it's going to be Groundhog Day every day until Groundhog Day. I think I'm going to try to post something every day on this house, and do something else otherwise, you know. I might come up with a project at home. I got some more chicken coop things to do. We put our new chickens in with the old chickens, and apparently the old chickens are a bunch of bullies. So we've got one in triage right now. Didn't move its legs all day yesterday. I didn't think it was going to live through the night. Went out there this morning, and she was standing up and eating, so her hairdo's a little messed up on the back of her head. They pecked the back of her neck pretty hard. They already killed 2 more. We only started out with 6 chicks this time, and we're down to 4. If you like this content, like and subscribe. Give me a comment. Holler at me. Call me names.